Add your dry ingredients into a bowl, starting with your flour, your egg white powder if using, and your yeast, and whisk it together. Pour your water, your sourdough starter, and your oil into the bowl of your mixer. With the mixer turning, add your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients and keep turning on a medium-high speed until it forms a soft squidgy dough. It becomes more elastic as you beat and gives better results, so don't beat for less than 10 minutes. Dust your surface with flour to stop your dough from sticking. Tip your dough onto your bench, sprinkle with a little bit more flour and form it into a log shape like this. Using your dough scraper, divide your dough into 6 equal portions. Shape each piece into a ball by patting it, rolling it, patting it down again, rolling it up again, patting and rolling 3 times before using your hands to shape it into a ball, using a cupping motion with your palms like this. Repeat this with your other 5 pieces of dough. Again, just pat it down, roll it up, pat it down, roll it up, pat it down, roll it up 3 times before making it into a ball with your hands by cupping the ball of dough. You can see that I'm not sprinkling more flour on, I'm simply sweeping the flour over the bench. This is to stop me accidentally adding too much flour on. If you find that your dough is sticking, just sprinkle a little bit more flour onto your bench and then keep going. If you make some balls bigger than other, you can pinch from the big ones to give to the small ones. I've got an 8-inch cake tin that I've lined with paper and I'm just brushing with oil to stop the dough from sticking. And then arranging my balls of dough like this. I'm going to brush it with an egg wash. If you used liquid egg whites, you can use your yolks for the egg wash. Just add a little bit of water to thin them down. Sprinkle with fresh herbs. I'm just using rosemary from my garden. Pat it down gently and sprinkle with some flaky Maldon sea salt. Leave to proof until it looks nice and puffy, like this, and then put into your oven to bake. After about 25 minutes, it will look golden brown like this, and you can grab it out of the oven. Enjoy your amazing homemade rosemary and sea salt tear and share loaf.